This is a new Ruger Gunsite scout rifle. It's a 7-pound 308, lightweight, handy, easy to use rifle. Good folks at Gunsite help us design it. Check it out. We engrave in the bottom of the cap for them. The laminated stock has 6-inch spacers for adjustable length of pull, along with a nice soft rubber recoil pad that makes a 7-pound 308 comfortable. The big deal is there's a attached magazine. 10-rounder ships with the gun, 5-rounders are also available. It has multiple sighting options, as a scout rifle should. We have a forward Picatinny rail. Mini 14 iron sights come with the gun. And then the standard Ruger rings also ship with the gun, so you can mount a traditional optic in the traditional location. It's actually a Mini 14 magazine release. And still, it's an M77 controlled round feed Mauser action. So you don't have to baby it. You probably shouldn't. Run it hard like a Mauser. 16.5-inch barrel is cold hammer forged, 110 twist with the flash surface rod, basically protecting threads for people who want to put other muzzle accessories on it. A lot of people think that a shorter barrel is less accurate. That's not necessarily true. A shorter barrel will give you a little less velocity. You pair up Hornady Superformance ammo, very efficient cartridge. We're getting 2,800 feet per second out of this load, out of this little gun. So you're not giving up anything. Shorter, stiffer barrels, though, are more accurate. I have yet to see one of these that won't shoot under a minute with premium ammo. In fact, 2 weeks ago at the FTW ranch in Texas, we had this little gun on steel at 1,000 yards. About a 1.5-minute wind hole. A lot of fun doing it.
And is this an AI mag? So
this is an AI pattern magazine. This one is particularly made by Accurate Mag. So it's a single, sort of double column standard that a lot of different people are using.
We know who Accurate Mag is.
This is a 5-round.
This is the 5.
Okay.
Yeah, we got 10s around here somewhere. Thanks, RG. 5 and the 10. And you can see that it's a long taper to go from the double to the single column. But very efficient, reliable system in here with the controlled round feed. You'll find too many guns with controlled round feed in a box mags. Goes just like a minute.
Okay.
That's it.
Now I'm trying to get the audience to understand. With standard all the scripts that we've ever done came out of request. I did a presentation, and he's like, he's done a project manager.